Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you, my small little YouTube family? I hope you all are good. May Allah Almighty give you health, wealth, and success in every field of life. Today I brought for you very beautiful and amazing pixie haircut ideas. Pixie haircut is very famous nowadays. If you like my video and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video reach to you. Thank you so much and let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Bye bye. Enjoy the video.